Odira, is that not my clutch already? Go and remove it. Go and take it off now.
So, you, Ekene, now has the temerity, the audacity to command me to go and remove your shirt.
Yes, of course. Is it not my cloth?
Hey!
Am I not the one that bought it? Go and pull it.
Okay, let me ask you a question. This footwear you are wearing, whose own is it?
Mine, of course.
Who bought it for you?
You did, but it's mine. You already gave it to me. Go and pull it.
Tell my friend, get the hell out from me.
You see what you have caused? Mama, please.
Jesus Christ. Mama, don't do this. Mama, please don't do this. Don't do this. Who am I to call now?
Mama.
Hey, Mama! Let's carry her now. Let's carry her. What's the problem this time around?
You are my problem, Odira. Yes, you are my problem. And I will not stop until you do the needful.
You know, Ekene, I was thinking you were foolish. But I didn't know you were still wooden mad. You know, I've been keeping quiet for some time now. And I think it's high time I give you the beating of your life. What up if you don't care?
You do no such thing. You do no such thing, Odira. I dare you. Try it. Hey!
Hey! Ekene, you tell me!
Hey!
You tell me! You tell me! Me! The pastor of this house! Ekene! You look me! This mama sickness is not even getting better. Eh? If not for this your useless son, mama. This your useless son, Ekene. By now you
Odira! Did you just mention my name? Who is useless? If not for you, would Mama be in this condition, Odira?
Mama, as I was saying, before this your roaming, stupid, foolish son interrupted our discussion. If not for this stupid boy who doesn't have respect for his elders, Mama wouldn't have been on this condition. Ekene, if not for Papa blessed memories, I would have buried you alive. God knows. Oh, Mama. Mama, you know I'm a man of peace. You know I'm a man of peace. I don't like violence. But this is your son.
You're a man of peace. You're a man of peace and you don't want to do the
Can
needful.
you just stop? Can you just stop for once? It's because of your too much fighting that kept Mama in this condition. What's all this?
Hope you hear that.
Odera, please.
Mama,
Odera, please. Leave him alone, Odera.
yes, I will.
Please.
I promise. I won't beat him again.
Please, Odera.
Mama, I won't lay my hands on him. I promise you that.
Ekene.
Mama.
Ekene, please. Ekene, look at me.
Mama,
Ekene,
Mama, just leave all those preaching for your son and not me.
please. Ekene.
Look at him.
You see the useless fool? Mama, please, Mama, you'll be fine. Mama, should I get water? Let me get water.
He's killing me.
Uncle, as I was saying, caution Odira. Talk to him because I've had enough. If I want to start my own now, the whole villagers will start saying, Ekene is this, Ekene is that, Ekene did this, Ekene did that. Uncle, talk to him.
Ekene,
Uncle.
remember you are a younger brother to Odira.
Uncle, I know. That's why I say you should talk to him. That's all I want.
Okay, I will invite him. You cannot go.
Okay, Uncle.
Hold it down. I will call him for you.
Just call him to
Let I
order,
invite
Uncle.
you. You know, children nowadays, how can a junior to be taught while a senior will be done? What? Not being hard from a Odira.
Why will Ekene do something like that? Your brother is supposed to stand by you, not against you.
Oh, my dear, please forget about my brother. I know how to handle his mess. He's just being childish, like a teenager.
I pray it is, because I don't want it to affect our marriage plans.
Oh, no. Just forget about my brother. I know how to handle his matter. Please, let it not bother you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I'm scared. Seeing two blood brothers fighting because of me is not good. My lord, Ekene is your younger brother. Please, don't fight him back. Please, my lord.
You know what? It's okay. I promise you that I won't lay my hands on my brother again.
Promise.
I cross my hands. I give him some food. So, how is Mama? You know our wedding plans are coming up soon.
Ekene.
How are you?
I'm fine. And are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I brought this for
thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Anything for you. Egodi, I'll be on my way now. So I just say let me bring this for you.
Okay.
So I'll come to see you later in the evening.
Alright, no problem. Please, my regards to Mama and Odira. And remember to tell him that he should not bother coming to my place today. You should meet me at Kachi's place instead, okay?
Did you just mention Odira now?
Yes, any problem?
No problem. I'll be on my way.
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
What is it?
What did you bring for us?
Which one is for us? I don't understand. You must shift. When did that one start? Come on, shift. Okay, come on. Open what for you? Come on.
Why is it that you have sworn to destroy your life and that of this family? So you still went to talk to Ego after all my warnings to you to stay away from my number? You still went to talk to her, Abi?
You know, Ekene, I've noticed that you are very foolish. If not for Ego Day, that I've promised that I won't beat the living hell out of you, by now you'd have been receiving a dirty slap from me.
Oh, are you not the bastard?
Wakam! Ekene! If you're mad,
I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you.
Your hell will roll now. Say something. Eh?
It's okay. Odira, please, it's okay. Leave your brother alone. It's okay. Mom, it's okay. You people cannot kill me in this house. It's okay, Odira. Please, I don't want problem again.
But I see Mama's condition. You people should stop all this fighting now. Eh?
What to see Mama condition? What to see Mama? I'm trying to see Ekene. Eh? Every time you're using Mama, every time they're using Mama to talk to me. See, Ekene! Hey! Ekene! If you say anything, people can
Mama, just swallow your son. Mama, just swallow your son. I will teach him a lesson in this house. I'll never forget.
Mama didn't kill him. Mama didn't touch him. Mama, please. Mama, I didn't touch him.
Let's get inside.
Why is your face like this, my son?
Uncle, our people said that what an elder sits down and see, even if a young man climbs the highest mountain, he won't say it. But Uncle, the way I'm saying it now, we are not seeing what Ekene is doing. Yes! Uncle, you are not seeing what... How can Ekene, my younger brother, look me eyeball to eyeball and tell me that he will kill me? Ekene is trying me in this land. Uncle, how can the young girl I've promised to marry, the young girl I'm betrothed to, Ekene wants to take her away from me. From nowhere. Uncle, this time I'm telling you, Ekene is trying to... Uncle, if I see Ekene... my mama say, if I see Ekene, what I will do to Ekene, nobody in this land will blame you. Will blame you. I'm just respecting you. Nobody in this land should blame you.
Go down, my son. I will sorry. And remember, you're an elder to Ekene.
Uncle, that is the one that pains me the most. That is the one that pains me the most. How can this young man...
I've had you, my son.
Uncle, just for the blessed memories of our father, I will respect you enough. But Ekene, if I just see Ekene now, what I will do to it? Ekene.
Thank you for respect.
Uncle Gade. Uncle Ogade.
My friend, you are the only person. You have to stop this thing before it gets out of hand. Okachi, if I tell you I know what to do, then I'm a big liar. The worst part is that they fight every day, and I don't think I can cope with that. Egodi, you are my friend, and I will always tell you the truth. You are the only person that can stop this thing. If you love these two brothers, why not move on with your life? There are so many men out there who are ready to be with you. Okachi, I don't understand. What do you mean? My friend, you have to tell them that you're no longer interested in any of them. By that, they will have no choice than to move on with their lives. My dear, I think you are making sense. But with that work, we have to try. My head is full already.
Egodi, what's the meaning of this?
Ekene, calm down. Calm down and listen to me. Odira, please, I don't want you to misunderstand this. But the truth is, I can't continue with this anymore. I know both of you love me, and I've been taking care of me ever since the death of my parents. And I really appreciate that. But right now, I don't think I can continue with this anymore. We just have to stop it. I'm going to my maternal side and stay with my uncle there for now.
So this is why you called me out?
Yes.
This is why you called me out? Now you are forgetting all about all we shared. Eh? What about me? What about all the feelings we shared together? You just want to throw it away because of this useless lunatic? Please, you can't possibly do this to me. You can't
If you touch her again, I will bury you here alive.
Again, have you lost yourself?
Both of you just stop! Stop!
No, baby, allow me to finish this.
Stop! What's the meaning of this?
Should we start it here?
Ekene, stop! In fact, the fish just get out.
Baby, please don't do this to me now.
If I hear that baby from your mouth again, if I don't slap your teeth out,
you see what you have caused, Abi?
Who is your baby?
You see what you have
Who are
caused
you,
again,
baby?
Abi? You see what you have caused again, Abi?
My own uncle.
You see what you have caused again, Abi?
Who's your baby? Who's your baby? Okay, it's like
My dear, you will not believe that they were even fighting in my presence. What? That is the height of it now. So what do you intend doing now? I don't just know. I'm as confused as the course of this land.
Hey God, you watch your tongue. Watch your tongue before you incur the wrath of the gods. So, hey, I don't want trouble.
Okachi, isn't it obvious? How will the gods of this land allow two blood brothers to fall in love with me? At the end of the day, fighting themselves. Tell me if they are not confused.
I don't know what you're talking about. My own is that you should not involve me in anything that has to do with the gods.
Please, I beg, I'm done with this discussion.
Okay, oh.
What is good about the money? No, Okachi, tell me. And what the hell did you call me out here for?
Is it not obvious? Is it not obvious that I love you?
Ukachi, have you lost your mind? Have you lost your senses? Ukachi, I've told you countless times that it's Egodi, your friend that I love. You can't be coming up to me and be telling me all these things now. What is all this?
Enough of this Egodi. Every time Egodi. Must she mention her name every time? See, Odera, I'm in love with you. What do you want me to do? Am I not beautiful enough? Look at me now. Am I not beautiful enough? Should I kill myself for you?
Okachi. No doubt, you're a very beautiful young lady, which every man in this community will want to have you as theirs. And this very young man here, you are not my dream. Okachi, get it into your skulls. If it's not Egodi, it can never be you. What is all this now? When you're not working about that, what is your problem?
Dear, please, I love you now. I love you.
Wait, that love you just said now is what I will kill you. Come on! Is that love that will kill you? Are you mad? Have you lost it? It's like you don't like this, your two hands. Touch me again. Nonsense. Hey, I will sound you now. Rubbish.
Brothers, the constant fighting among them both. I found out lately that it's been going on because of you. I'm so sorry about that, Uzioma. Well, it's not your fault. I guess that's how fate wants it. But please, I plead with you. I want you to tell me right here now. Who among them both do you love? Uzioma, I'm so sorry about all of this that is happening in your home. You know it's Odira I love. We have been friends from childhood. I'm just close to Ekene because he's Odira's younger brother. I never meant for it to happen this way. I never thought he's going to fall in love with me. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, it's alright. I've heard what you've said. Okay, thank you very much. Okay?
Odira, my son.
Mama.
I called you people here to know why you people are fighting each other. What is the problem? I want to know the problem. How can two brothers fighting themselves?
Mama, I don't like the way you people are putting this thing. Which one is fighting? When a small child misbehaves, he gets the beating of his life. Mama, Ekene has decided to be misbehaving, and I've been giving him the beating of his life. I'm not how can I be fighting my younger brother? It's not called fight. It's called beating him up for corrections. Mama, can you imagine? If not for Egodi, that said I shouldn't be laying my hands on her, on him.
Oh, it's because of a woman that my two sons are fighting.
Mama, it's a woman, no. The worst part is that the woman in question doesn't love Brother Ekene. It's Brother Odila that she loves.
Oh!
Ekene, how can you love a woman that don't love you? Hey, woman, you like yeah.
Brody, I'm sorry for all the trouble I've been causing you. Since she says she loves you, I've stepped down for you. So, I'm really sorry.
Come on, check. Is there cobwebs in my head?
Doesn't think so.
Did I just hear brother? Hey! You know when, Mama, I just said it now. When one or two slaps are given, he corrects the brain. Now my younger brother is back. How? Welcome.
Thank you. Please take
You know, one or two slaps like this can correct. Okay.
It's just because I'm respecting you, on a normal ground.
Sit down. This is what I'm talking about.
So, brother.
Now you did a lion in a family. This is the only thing I want. When a younger one respects the elder, since the blessed memorials of our father, I've taken the position of being the head of this family. And it will be very wrong. What will the villagers be saying? That my younger brother is looking at my head?
Oh, gods of our land, I thank you for bringing two of my sons together again. I thank you, gods of our land. Oh, there is peace in my house again.
But
oh, my children.
Mama, wait. Ekene, let it not be that I'm mistaken, Call me that thing you just called again.
Is it
brother na?
Oh, brother.
Hey! What are we else saying? Eh? This is indeed my brother in whom I'm well pleased with. Okay. Child.
Brother, give me granite now.
See granite. For the sake of Mama, see granite.
God.
You won't believe that Ekene has stepped down for Odira, and he has promised to support Odira any way he can.
Wait, you mean Ekene has backed out of the game?
Yes, so, and very soon they'll be coming to pay my bride price.
Hey, my friend.
Thank you.
Our Odira's lady. I'm so happy for you, my friend. Anyways, let me be on my way now.
On your way?
Yes.
I thought you came first to go and fetch firewood.
Yes, but my friend, I'm having slight headache and my body is paining me. I need to roll along. Maybe some other time. Maybe tomorrow we can go and fetch the firewood.
Okay, now let me escort you.
Don't worry. Just relax yourself. I'll be fine, okay? I will take care of myself.
Are you sure?
Yes. Maybe tomorrow we can go and fetch the firewood.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Alright, take care of yourself,
Alright,
okay?
my friend. Alright.
Thank you. Sister.
Yeah?
I thought I heard your friend's voice, Kachi.
She has gone.
Says she's having headache.
Okay. I wanted to come and greet her. She's new.
Alright, let's go and
parts of our land. Why am I always so unlucky? Just when I thought everything is over, Ekene decided to back out. Why? I will not allow Egodi take away the man of my dream. It's not possible. It's either Odira or no one else. I think I know what to do.
We should do that front a bit.
At least this one's cleared.
This thing that we just did last week is growing back again.
Gather them some place.
Let me tidy this place so you bring your clothes. So rush it. We can't kill ourselves tomorrow. We'll finish that part.
Do it fast, do it fast.
Go and get your clothes.
You can join this side too.
But Odi, don't to kill me. I can't kill myself. That part will do it tomorrow. Mama, where are you going to?
Oh, I'm coming to check you people at the farm.
Oh. Mama, what is all this now?
Tell her.
What is all this? You know you are not feeling fine. You know you are not even feeling being strong. Because, Mama, please, carry this thing inside. Allow me and Ekene to do the work. Because no.
I'm only being worried about you people. That's all it is.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. We are back now. Oh?
Mama.
Ego. So you come to visit us today. And you didn't even bring anything for me. I'm not talking for bro Odira and Mama. Talking for myself.
Only everything about you is just food.
I like food.
No, only they go bring something for. Please,
don't
my
worry.
dear.
When I'm coming again, I'll bring something for everybody. Yes, ma'am.
That's my daughter-in-law.
Mama.
You are welcome, my daughter. You are welcome.
Are you sure you're making the right decision? Are you sure that Dera is the right choice for you?
Where are you going? We are going. Okay. You both should come back early, oh. Okay, sister. You both should come back early. I don't want to look for you, oh. Okay. All right.
See, my friend, I really think you should think about this thing. I wouldn't want you to take a wrong decision, no.
Look at you. There is nothing to think about. I'm happy with him. I love his family. His family, they are just special. This is the kind of family every young maiden would dream to be married into. The family is just too special.
Please, I'm thirsty. I want to drink water.
You are thirsty? You don't know where to get water from.
You this girl, you are too stubborn.
No, you have told me you are a visitor now, so that I will know what to do. At least I'll be giving you touch, so that you'll be seeing all the compound and the rooms. Ha!
Ozoma! Ozema! Why are you calling me?
I did not call you.
Ozema, I said you are calling me. I told you that you did not call me.
But I did not call you.
Ozema, you called me.
But that was this now.
Ozema called me.
But I did that.
Stop playing now.
But I did not call you now. What's wrong with you?
You didn't call me.
What is happening?
No, you didn't call me.
What are they? What is happening?
Photo. Hey!
But I just
What is
I
happening?
don't understand.
Ozema called me. Ozema called me. You didn't call me. What is there? What is there? What is happening? What's happening?
No.
Will I stop this now? Ekene. Yes. Ekoti. Photo.
What's happening? Brody, please, the joke, stop this now. What is happening?
I was just inside. You just started shouting my name, so I'm calling you. I did not call you.
Stop this now.
Okay. Ekene.
Stop this now.
Ekene, go.
Stop playing. Stop playing this now.
Oh.
Hey! Stop this.
Egodi, yari, yari, Egodi, yari, yari, Egodi, yari, yari, Egodi.
Oh, brother, stop this now.
I'm getting married. Egodi. I want to bath.
What happened?
Egodi.
Just started misbehaving.
It's alright.
My friend, shut up.
Obi mo. Obi.
Stop crying.
It's not the time. You'll be fine.
Shit, be a man. What you need to do is to console your mother and your sister. And stop crying like a baby.
But who could have done this to my brother? My only brother. I swear by the gods of this land, whosoever have handled this
I'm finished.
must pay.
I'm finished.
Don't think that I'm happy seeing my friend like this. I'm not happy. But to this problem, I must see to the root of this problem. I must go and make inquiries. Because whosoever that did this to my friend, that person will know why I'm called Ibe in this community. Ibe. Hey God, it's alright. It's alright. You'll be fine. Hey God, stop crying. You'll be fine. For this madness, I must see to the root. I must see to the root. Because I cannot see my friend lying down like this. Look at him. It's alright. It's alright. I must see to the root of this madness.
What is it, Ego? Talk to me now. What is it?
God.
Talk to me.
Odira just ran mad.
How did that happen?
Odira just ran mad. I don't know.
You need to calm down. Relax.
I don't know.
You need to calm down. Put yourself together. It's okay. Calm down.
I say because of the land I'm confused. You say I want to involve myself in problems. Now tell me. Tell me.
You need to calm down.
Oh God.
Stop crying now. It's okay.
What will I do? What will I do?
Odira will be
What
fine.
will I do?
It's okay. Stop crying.
Because of the land. Who did I offend? Who did I offend? Who did I offend?
Ego, stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. It's okay. It's fine. Stop.
think all this rash madness is ordinary. I think somebody somewhere in this village is behind it. And who could that be? You are asking me. My dear, I don't know. So you want to go and look for what you tell everybody in this village? That Norma said this, Norma said that. See, oh, my armpit is clean, there is no hair on it. Who is Onyasin? Me and you, who is a gossip? I'm off, Biko. I am late. You're looking for who you implicate in this village. You will never see me. Please wait for me. You have to move on with your life.
Mama, I understand you. But Mama, it's not easy. It's not easy.
Ego, the medicine man said that there is nothing we can do about it again. So, I advise you to move on with your life, my daughter, please.
Mama, I don't want to go anywhere. I love this family so much. I don't want to leave. I don't want to go. I will marry Ekene.
You will marry Ekene?
Yes, Baba. I will marry Ekene. I will marry Ekene. You are very funny.
I know. Ah, Okachi, how are you? What happened?
Shall be behaving strangely, you said.
Are you sure you guys are not quarreling?
Quarreling where? I don't know what's wrong with her. No,
Let's try this.
Okay, put it down.
So
you are eating here. You're eating your granite alone here, Abby?
No, I thought you were sleeping now, so I don't want to disturb you. How cute you are. Sorry.
Give me granite. Hey.
So, how was your nap?
It was fine, no. Just resting. Mama is here.
Welcome, Mama.
Mama, welcome.
Could you people help me out that basket of bitter leaf that I keep in the backyard?
Basket of bitter leaf?
Yes.
I don't know. Let me go and get it, Mama.
No. Mama, let me go.
Don't worry.
Mama, let me.
Don't worry. Let me get it for myself.
Mama, are you sure?
How are you? What is it?
Nothing.
Ama wa me bu pokwani ya. Oh, ozi. Nwoma. Nwom na eji ozi. Anche kina meke no bekwe kensi em no. Ai, ekene. Eni ife niile kpakasịkwara otu o si ete. Ekene ai. Enweghị ekene ị ga-ezi eko ome. N'ego na-eji pụta ego dị. Nwanne nwoke a enwelelu problem. O bukọtara, o mere ya n'imi, o mere ya n'anya. Ai, ekene. Gịnịkwana ka afa kwuru ebe a? Ama m onwe ya ma nke ọ na-arị. Ya gịnịkwa? Ya ka gịnị? What is this? I can't remember when I keep something like this. What is this?
My love, yo. Ego, yo.
Hey, Odira, look at what you've done to yourself. Odira, I begged you. If you had married me before now, you would have been in this position. Look at yourself now. Hey, you decided to marry Egodi. Now look at yourself.
Look at you. What's going on here?
Wait, did you call my name?
What kind of stupid question is that? Are you not... What am I doing here? Look at you, where is Egodi? What am I seeing? Look at
Ibe, what? He just called my name.
Ode. Ibe. Ode. Ibe, what is the meaning of this now? What am I doing here? Wait. Why am I like this? Somebody to talk to me now. Ode. Why am I like this?
Ode, are you?
Hey! Hey! Did anything happen to me? Why are you asking me something? What do you know? Why should be asking this question? If you're running mad, go off our land. My friend is back again. Hey!
What's my name?
Look at you now. Stop asking me this question. Give me what's happening now. Where's Egodi? Where's my brother? Where's my mother?
Let's go to your house right now.
My friend is back again. How can you just run mad like that?
Mama have killed me. Mama, you have... Yeah!
Ekene, what is it? Ekene, what is it? Ekene, it's only one more thing. Be here one day to want to lie, Ekene. Ekene, man, Ekene, what's the problem? Ekene, what is it? Ekene, so you are the problem that your brother is having for... Yes, now. Ekene! Oh! Jesus. Ekene. Let's take him inside. Let's take him inside. Ekene, Nana. Take him inside. Ekene. Ekene, don't start. Ekene.
Why you been pursuing my brother?
Ekene, don't fight Chojira. I can defeat him. I will show you the way to win him.
Uncle, are you sure?
Trust me. I'm a mega Huranya.
Uncle, I trust you.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm a mega Huranya. Eh? Trust me.
This is the way.
Yes, Uncle.
Mention all your problems. He will stop it. I don't mention my name. Okay. I'm a Omega Funanya. Oh yeah, go. Go, don't fear. Go. Go.
Stop! I know why you are here. Odera, your brother, is a reincarnation of Ikemba. Ikemba Berowa. No man born of a woman can kill you. Go before you face the wrath of the gods. Go before I strike you with madness.
I can't just allow this to happen. No. But what should I do now? The chief priest said that he cannot be killed. What else can I do? I hate you, Odira. I hate you! I just wish you can disappear from the surface of this earth so that I can have a God to myself. But no, you won't. I just hate you. What else can I do now?
Hang it somewhere. Don't allow this to touch the ground. Because if this touches ground, your brother's madness will be transferred to you. But as long as your brother remains mad, a good will forever be yours.
Thank you, Zembo. Thank you. Thank you.
Dimetra, Yeah, baby.
Ezenmo, I'll be on my way now.
So you are the cause of your brother's madness. Hey, Ekene, I caused the day I get back to you. Ekene, hey.
Ekene, I never knew you were this wicked. And I'm carrying your child. Hey!
Oh my God. Mama.
Mama.
Look at you. Please don't leave me. You've been a backbone to me all this while. You've stood by me even when others fled away. Look at you. I will forever be grateful to you, to everything you've done for me. Please, forgive my ignorance. And please make me the happiest man on earth. To be my wife, please.
My son.
Odi!
Mama!
Odi! Hey!
So, Ekene is mad. Hey! Omega! I'm running. Hey! If I stay here, these people will catch me. Omega!